Hello and welcome back to my channel, Iraqi Dinar Reshape. Iraqi Dinar Revaluation approved, a historic shift in global finance. The long-awaited Revaluation, RV, of the Iraqi Dinar has reportedly been given the green light by the US Treasury and key redemption centers, marking a major turning point in the financial world. For years, speculation about the Iraqi dinar's potential appreciation has fueled discussions among investors, economists, and policymakers. Now, with official confirmation that exchange centers are prepared to facilitate transactions at a newly established rate, the global financial landscape is set for a significant transformation. This article explores the implications of the Iraqi dinar revaluation, including its impact on investors, Iraq's economic future, and the global financial system. We will also examine the factors driving this revaluation, the role of financial institutions, tax considerations for investors, and what this means for Iraq's standing in the international market. Understanding the Iraqi dinar revaluation. Currency revaluation occurs when a country's monetary authority increases the value of its currency in relation to other currencies. In Iraq's case, the dinar has long been considered undervalued due to the country's turbulent history, economic instability, and previous financial sanctions. However, in recent years, Iraq has implemented a series of financial reforms, economic development initiatives, and anti-corruption measures that have strengthened its financial system. With the US Treasury's approval and redemption centers preparing for exchanges, this suggests that Iraq has met key economic benchmarks necessary to justify a higher valuation of its currency. This decision also signifies growing confidence in Iraq's financial stability and economic potential. Key drivers behind the Iraqi dinar revaluation. Several factors have contributed to the revaluation of the Iraqi dinar, including Iraq's economic progress, foreign reserves, banking modernization, and international support from financial institutions. 1. Economic growth and financial reforms. Iraq has made significant strides in stabilizing its economy, reducing inflation, and increasing foreign investment. The Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, in collaboration with global financial institutions such as the International Monetary Fund, IMF, and the World Bank, has worked to strengthen the country's financial sector. These efforts have included modernizing banking systems, enhancing monetary policies, and enforcing anti-money laundering measures. The Iraqi government has also focused on economic diversification beyond oil, investing in infrastructure, trade agreements, and industrial growth. These reforms have helped create a more stable economic environment, paving the way for a currency revaluation. 2. Strong foreign reserves and oil wealth. Iraq is one of the world's largest oil producers, and its economy is heavily dependent on oil exports. With global oil prices stabilizing at higher levels, Iraq has accumulated substantial foreign reserves, strengthening its financial position. A strong reserve backing a national currency provides economic security and enhances investor confidence, making it possible for Iraq to support a higher exchange rate for the dinar. 3. Global trade and foreign investment. The Iraqi government has actively pursued international trade agreements and foreign investments, further strengthening its economy. Partnerships with major global powers, including China, the United States, and European nations, have boosted Iraq's financial standing. Increased foreign direct investment (FDI) in Iraq's energy, banking, and infrastructure sectors has also contributed to the country's ability to sustain a revalued currency. 4th, stability in Iraq's banking system. The modernization of Iraq's banking infrastructure has been a critical factor in the revaluation. Banks in Iraq have implemented new financial technologies, improved regulatory frameworks, and enhanced transparency in financial transactions. These improvements have made Iraq's banking system more efficient and reliable, further supporting the revaluation decision. How will the Iraqi dinar revaluation impact investors? The revaluation of the Iraqi dinar presents both opportunities and challenges for investors. Here's what dinar holders need to consider. 1. Exchange process and redemption centers. With reports confirming that redemption centers are prepared to facilitate IQD exchanges, Investors should take necessary steps to prepare for the process. Banks such as Chase, Wells Fargo, and HSBC are expected to participate in the exchange, providing secure avenues for investors to convert their dinars at the new rate. To ensure a smooth exchange, investors should have the required documentation, including proof of currency ownership, identification, and any relevant financial records. Consulting financial advisors or currency exchange specialists can help investors navigate the exchange process effectively. 2. Tax implications and financial planning. One of the most critical aspects of the dinar revaluation is its tax impact. Depending on an investor's country of residence, capital gains taxes and foreign exchange fees may apply to any profits made from the revaluation. Investors are strongly encouraged to seek guidance from tax professionals to ensure compliance with local tax laws and to develop strategies for minimizing liabilities. For example, in the United States, the IRS may classify profits from currency revaluation as capital gains, subjecting them to specific tax rates. Proper financial planning can help investors maximize their gains while ensuring they meet all regulatory requirements. 3. Investment strategies, exchange or hold. With the revaluation now confirmed, investors must decide whether to exchange their dinars immediately or hold on to them in anticipation of further appreciation. Historical trends suggest that some currencies continue to appreciate after an initial revaluation, especially if the country implements sound economic policies. While some investors may choose to exchange right away to realize their profits, others may opt to hold their dinars, expecting additional value increases in the future. Staying informed on Iraq's economic trends, financial policies, and global market developments will be essential for making strategic investment decisions. Global economic implications of the Iraqi dinar revaluation. Currency revaluations have wide-ranging effects on global markets, impacting foreign exchange rates, international trade, and investment flows. Here are some of the key ways the dinar's revaluation could affect the global financial system. 1. Foreign exchange market adjustments. The appreciation of the Iraqi dinar could lead to fluctuations in the foreign exchange market, influencing the value of other regional and global currencies. Investors, Forex traders, and financial institutions will closely monitor these changes to adjust their strategies accordingly. 2. Increased foreign investment in Iraq. With a stronger currency, Iraq is likely to attract higher levels of foreign direct investment, FDI. Global investors may view Iraq as a more stable and lucrative market, leading to increased investment in sectors such as energy, banking, and infrastructure. This in turn could drive further economic growth and job creation in Iraq. 3. Strengthened position in global trade. A revalued dinar will enhance Iraq's purchasing power, making imports more affordable and boosting domestic consumption. Additionally, Iraq's stronger financial standing could lead to increased trade partnerships with other nations, further integrating the country into the global economy. 4. Potential economic challenges. While a revaluation presents many benefits, it also comes with potential risks. A stronger dinar could impact Iraq's export competitiveness, making its goods and services more expensive for foreign buyers. The government will need to carefully manage economic policies to balance the benefits and challenges of a revaluation. Avoiding scams and misinformation. As with any major financial event, the dinar revaluation has attracted scammers and misinformation. Investors should be cautious and rely only on credible sources such as the Central Bank of Iraq, the US Treasury, and reputable financial institutions when seeking information about the exchange process. Red flags to watch out for include unverified private deals. Be wary of individuals or groups offering exclusive exchange opportunities or private transactions that seem too good to be true. Fraudulent exchange centers. Ensure that any redemption center you use is officially recognized and authorized to facilitate currency exchanges. Fake investment opportunities. Avoid schemes that promise unrealistic returns on dinar investments without legitimate financial backing.